friends, welcome to Tallie's Tricks. Today I'm going to check out Pets Alive Chirpy Birds. So I have one of these from the Mini Brands toy series. So it's kind of fun to get like one of the actual ones. It says, cuddly talking birds that repeat what you say. Like a parrot. Let's see, it looks like, is that a toucan? Ooh, I don't know what that one is. A cockatoo? Kind of looks like an owl and a flamingo. Those are my guesses. I'm not really good with birds. Which chirpy bird will you hatch? Collect all 4. I don't know if the code is helpful, but just in case it is, there you go. All right, let's open it up. Let's see, I kind of want one of the middle 2. See which chirpy bird we get. All right, just gonna cut this. Do you guys want to guess? Oh! Yay! It is an owl. I love owls, you guys. It's like my favorite animal because they're a hoot. Okay. Ooh, look at all the stuff we get. Okay, we have a name card. And then we have instructions and our collection paper. What's this one's name? Normie. Oh, that's cute. There's Scampy, Normie, Mimi, and Bazoo. Let's see if it has batteries. No, bummer. Okay, we need AAA. Okay, I'm gonna test that. Okay. Get those batteries in there. It's a lot more like round, like a ball than I thought it would be. We have a little comb. Doesn't really have much to comb, but that's okay. We can pretend. Then, what is this? Oh no, you guys. It's magic bird poo compound. Gross. I don't know what it is with the poo stuff, but magic bird poop compound. Ooh, it's like the marshmallowy kind. I like this kind. This is one of my favorite kinds of slime. Or I guess it's compound, it's not like slimy, but roll up a ball of our bird poop. And we have stickers for each of our 4 we can get. And then let's see how our chirpy bird chirps. On a wing, there's like stitching. I don't see what the stitching is of though. Oh, it's 2 musical notes. Okay, I couldn't see it till I looked through the camera. I think it's 2 musical notes. Okay. So if we just won't do anything, you know what you have to do? First you have to turn it on. Cute. Press the embroidered wing. I can sing sweet songs. Press again for another tune. There's 2 songs. Ooh, I wonder if they're all the same. Press it twice to do the repeat function. Okay, press it twice. Okay, come on. Oh! Oh, wow. I don't have to keep pressing it. It just listens. And kind of repeats what I say. Hello, Chirpy Bird.
Hello, Chirpy Bird.
How are you?
Fantastic.
I love talking to these.
I like being talked to. Just so you know, of all the Chirpy Birds, I'm the best bird. Just so you know, I'm the best ever.
All right, this is cute.
Alright, this is cute.
Hey, Chirpy Bird.
Hey, Tallie Chick.
Is that your bird poo?
What? That's not mine. At least, I don't think it is. I wouldn't do that. It's not me. Must be all the other birds we have flying around. Other birds that we have around. Not mine.
Chirpy Bird.
No. No. Not mine. I mean, yeah. That's mine. It's spent a long time in that egg. When you gotta go, it's gotta go. So, are we? And let's just pretend that nobody saw that. Nothing to see here.
Say bye, Chirpy Bird.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys. Let me know what you think of the Chirpy Birds. And thanks for watching.
Alright,
Bye.